This Maintenance Minute is sponsored by AutoValue. Visit us online for more information.
Today I got 3 tips for drive shaft service. Andrew Markel here. Drive shaft service is becoming a lot more common on vehicles simply because more vehicles are all-wheel drive or use a rear-wheel drive platform. So here's 3 tips to help make the job a little bit easier when you're installing a brand new U-joint or reusing the old U-joint in case, let's say, if a transmission is being replaced. Tip number 1, when you're replacing a joint or reusing the old joint, make sure that you never ever swap the cups on a U-joint. Simply because it's not that the bearings are broken into the surface, that's part of the reason. But if you're installing a new joint and it's already lubricated, you're redistributing the grease and it could be distributed unevenly because of the different cups. Another tip, if you're installing a joint and you're concerned that you might have it in a little too tight, pump it full of grease and see if each of the seals purge the same. Simply because if you have it too tight on this side, grease will come out these 2 sides because it's evenly spaced. But if it's too tight, not that much grease is going to come out, and you'll see that it might be a little too tight. And also, with some of the yokes out there that may be aluminum or other materials, make sure that those bores are extremely clean and not nicked or gouged or even distorted. Trying to work with this and reinstalling a drive shaft can become a nightmare. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.